Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am also fine. I am Farjana Akter Moonmoon, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take social science class of class 2 and our today's topic is fill in the gaps. Our lecture number is 15 and SW number is 13. So let's start. We have written some sentences 1 to 10 here, and all the sentences are coming from your chapters which you have in your annual term. And let's start from number 1. In the rainy season, the dash occurs. I hope you have already read in the chapter of this rainy about the climate, and we have read here in the rainy season dash occurs. What occurs in the rainy season? Flood. In the rainy season flood occurs. We know it very well because of heavy rain we see in our country. We have a lowland country, and because of heavy rain we see some of the lowland of our country suffering from this flood. So our answer is here, in the rainy season the flood occurs. Then number 2, dash many die in the earthquake. Many dash die in the earthquake. Earthquake means what? When our earth that means our plain earth shake and some of the buildings and roads fall apart, and this is how many people die during this earthquake, and many damages happened during this earthquake for this earthquake. And so we can write here people, many people die in the earthquake. Then number 3, yellow lights tells us to dash. Yellow light tell us to dash. You know, in our traffic system we have 3 lights: yellow, green and what? Red. Green lights tell us to go, yellow lights tell us to stop, and red light forbids us to go. That means yellow lights tells us to stop. Then we have number 4. We must follow the dash rules of the road. We must follow what kind of route we should follow? We must follow the safety rules, because if we don't follow these safety rules we will face some problem or any kind of accident in the road. We have traffic rules and some kind of rules which should we follow as a human being so that we can go safely anywhere. So we must follow the safety rules of the road. Number 5, Dhaka is a big city. This is a city and capital of Bangladesh, and we know like from other city, Dhaka is big, so we can write here Dhaka is a big city. Number 6, we have dash to our school. We have some responsibilities, we have some duties in our book. We have some duties to our school. We will have to follow some duties and rules in our school, like clean our room. You will have to bring your book regularly, and you will have to come regularly with your uniform, and you will have to obey your teachers, and you will have to study regularly. All kinds of these are your duties at a school. Number 7, we should dash our teacher. We should what? Respect or obey. We should obey our teacher. In your school you have some duties and you have some responsibilities. You have to obey your teacher because you will have to follow some rules for your life, and for this reason you will have to follow your teacher's direction for your life. This is what we have write. We should obey our teacher for well-being, for our well-being. Number 8, school colleges are our dash wealth. School colleges are our social wealth. Social wealth. We have read in our book, we have 3 kinds of wealth. Some are our own wealth, like our house, our industry book, our then any kind of land. These are our own wealth, and school colleges are our social wealth. Then we have also national wealth. Number 9, Bangladesh is a dash country by area. Bangladesh is a small country by area. Bangladesh is a small country by area. Number 10, the growth of population was very high. The growth of population was very high in Bangladesh. That's why we have faced many kinds of problem because of this growth of population. So our answer is here, the growth of population was very high, HIGS. So I am reading all these answers again. In the rainy season, the flood occurs. Number 2, many people die in the earthquake. Number 3, yellow light tells us to stop. Number 4, we must follow the safety rules of the road. Number 5, Dhaka is a big city. Number 6, we have duties to our school. Number 7, we should obey our teacher. Number 8, school colleges are our social wealth. Number 9, Bangladesh is a small country by area. Number 10, the growth of population was very high in Bangladesh. Okay, this is all for today. You have only 10 fill in the gaps. So you will have to do your SW. Try to do all the SW. Don't need to write only answer. You will have to pick up the question also. Write whole sentences with answer. Then submit it on Sunday. Okay, Allah Hafiz.